In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen share PS5 on Discord. We're using PS5 Remote Play, which means no capture card is required, and it works on PC, Mac, Android, and iOS. It's completely free, and while there may be slight lag and quality that's a bit lower than a capture card, it's a quick, accessible solution that gets the job done. Start by downloading the PS Remote Play app from the official PlayStation website or your device's app store. Install it like any other app. This tool mirrors your PS5 onto your device, so you'll see and control your console right from your computer or phone. For the smoothest experience, make sure your device has a stable internet connection before moving on. Open the Remote Play app, sign in with your PlayStation account, and connect to your PS5. Give it a moment to search and link up. If it takes a bit, don't worry, that's normal. Just ensure your console is powered on or in rest mode and that your device and PS5 are on reliable networks. Once connected, you should see your PS5 home screen on your device. Next, launch the game you want to share through Remote Play. You'll be playing via the app, so keep an eye on your inputs and response time. If you notice stutters, try reducing the Remote Play quality in the app settings to help maintain a steady stream. You can keep the app windowed or go full screen. Either works for sharing on Discord, but windowed mode makes it easier to pick the correct source. Now open Discord on the same device. Join the voice channel where you want to stream so your friends can hear you, then click Share Screen. On desktop, select the Remote Play window as the source. Make sure you enable audio in the share options so your viewers can hear the game. On mobile, start a screen broadcast in Discord and choose the PS Remote Play app as the source if your device prompts you. Once you go live, confirm with your friends that game audio and video are coming through clearly. If viewers report choppiness, try closing other apps that use bandwidth, sit closer to your router, or switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for less interference. Keep in mind, because this method is free and capture card free, a small amount of delay and softer visuals during fast action are normal. And that's it. You're sharing your PS5 gameplay on Discord with no extra hardware. Enjoy your session and have fun chatting with your friends while you play.